Hello and welcome to Zimstek Media. South African superstar Makhadzi has thanked Bulawayo for the love after a recent performance in the city. Bulawayo, thank you for so much love. I'll share with you all the beautiful moments soon. Thank you for singing along to my new EP. More love for you, my people. Don't forget to buy tickets for 1 May. It seems Makhadzi felt the love from Zimbabwe fans at the Bulawayo shutdown. Makhadzi is also reminding her fans to buy tickets for her next event, which will be on the 1st of May right here in Zimbabwe. For more stories, please do like and subscribe.